As a businessman, I generally busy and always have my days full of activities, work, family, social life. Sometimes I forget to realize that I spend more than 80% of my days indoor, breathing indoor pollution without even realizing the air quality that I breathe in. Which led me to wonder, why do I feel exhausted after a day of just sitting around in the office with no heavy physical activities? My name is Handoyo. I'm the founder of Drew. With the rise of social media, where many people expose their life, everyone wants to look good, at least on their social media. This leads to high consciousness of health, where many people start to go to gym, paying attention to what they eat, to what they drink. Some even gone to the extreme of measuring their daily sugar intake. However, do you realize that in a day we breathe 20,000 times, inhaling 10,000 liters of air? Have we give the proper attention to the air quality that we breathe in? As air is the biggest element taken into human body every single day. Growing up with allergy and asthma, air quality have been a very important part of my well-being. I remember the time when I have to limit my physical activities because of the shortness of breath, and it was really embarrassing. 20 over years later, the same thing happened with my son. As I learned from my personal experience, I found that the air quality has a big contributing factor to reduce the allergy from my son. And I believe that we are not the only one that experience the same issue. There might be a family out there who need the better air quality solution for them to cure their allergy naturally. When we first designed Drew, we focused on the maximum air quality cleaning performance while maintaining the affordability of the products. In order to do that, we have to eliminate the gimmicks and the nonsense of a general air purifier and to focus in the delivering the best air quality that one can get. All Drew products come with the PURE HEPA 13 filter and combined with the UV sterilization feature to produce the best air quality possible. We also learned that most of the bathroom in big cities, house and apartment are typically smaller. At the end, we want everyone to enjoy the clean air without sacrificing your beautiful house design. Many of us are lucky enough to be able to purchase one of those expensive air quality products. But those products are a one-time solution for a long-term problem. Those filters need to be replaced regularly and they're not cheap. When was the last time you replaced the filter in your air purifier? Are we replacing the filter at the right time? Drew created a system to help you replace your filter at certain period of usage time. When you join the filter replacement program, a filter will be delivered to your home when you need to replace them. Easy and simple solution. And the good thing is, Drew filters are very affordable and won't create heavy burden for your budget. Drew is a solution for your everyday air quality problem. Whether you're a businessman, creative entrepreneurs, artists, or no matter what you do, we all need good air, we all need clean air. That's why we created Drew, because we believe that everyone deserves better air.